Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for September 20th, 2014. It's currently 10 a.m. Is it me or is this month really moving fast? It really is. It's already the 20th. What do you know? Temperatures this morning range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s over the western suburbs of Philadelphia and New York City, and mid to upper 60s, even a few lower 70s mixed in there right along the immediate coast, with winds coming in from the east and southeast at around 5 miles per hour. We have a very interesting area, low pressure developing off the southeast coast, and a cold front approaching from the west. And that, of course, is going to mean a threat for scattered showers, but not until late this evening and also again for tomorrow. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. You can see that low pressure system kind of bubbling here off of the Florida coast. We have our cold front approaching and we have high pressure overhead. Right now we have clear skies to scattered cloud cover throughout the region, but clouds will slowly increase through the day as that onshore flow continues to develop and mature to around 5 to 15 miles per hour by this afternoon, transporting moisture in from the Atlantic and thus increasing clouds. Now, there will be a threat for showers late this afternoon on through this evening, but they'll be widely scattered to isolated, so most locations will remain dry, and these showers will be relatively weak, so I don't expect any washout of any type of outdoor events throughout the next 24 hours. On the radar, you can see some of those showers starting to develop off of the mid-Atlantic coast down through the southeast coast, a more concentrated area of heavier rain. The steady rain will remain off the coast, will remain over the New Jersey coastal waters and out over the Atlantic Ocean. However, as some of these showers rotate in from the Atlantic, like what we're seeing here, a few isolated to widely scattered showers will be possible this evening. Again, not a washout, so if you have outdoor plans, don't cancel them. Just bring an umbrella with you just in case. On the latest infrared satellite picture, you can really see this low pressure system get its act together. So why isn't it hugging the coast, and why will it stay off of the coast long enough? And why aren't these two low pressure systems merging? Well, the reason why is because we don't have blocking in the northern Atlantic. You can see that very clearly here. This is what's called a positive North Atlantic oscillation. If this upper level low was here rather than up here, then you would have blocking, and then these two disturbances could interact in phase and form a rather impressive storm. However, with that not being the case, this disturbance will lift northeast, and then this disturbance will come in from the west, and the two will never meet until they are well out into the Atlantic and produce a rather nice coastal, should I say, ocean storm over the northern Atlantic. But in the meantime, for our neck of the woods, one low pressure system lifts northeast with a few scattered showers this evening, and then the cold front comes through tomorrow evening into early Monday morning with additional showers, again widely scattered in nature and most relatively light. Then after that, high pressure will be in control for the rest of next week, and that means our very quiet and comfortable weather forecast is on the way. So again, for today, you can see that area low pressure developing off the southeast coast. Here's that trough coming in from the west. The two do not interact until it's way too late, so again, only a few isolated showers. Temperatures today will rise into the lower to mid 70s throughout much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. For tomorrow, that first low pressure system exits. The cold front comes in from the west with more scattered showers. I don't expect any thunderstorms, just showers. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s for lows, and I'm staying in the mid to upper 70s for highs. I realize that there's some Moss guidance and some other providers who are suggesting lower 80s, but we're having winds coming in from the southeast and then gradually veering to the south with increasing cloud cover, and typically that keeps temperatures a little bit cooler than what the GFS Moss is suggesting. So I'm going with mid to upper 70s throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Could see 80, 81 degree temperature, let's say just to the west of Philadelphia or right in Philadelphia, but I think that's about it as this cold front approaches from the west. For Monday, that cold front clears out. By the afternoon, skies will clear. It will be absolutely beautiful by Monday afternoon. However, Monday morning, there'll be a threat for a few showers. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows, but then only rise into the upper 60s to lower 70s for highs in the afternoon. Thereafter, high pressure will be in control all the way through the rest of the week, with high pressure generally locked in to the north and east of the region. And that's an important distinction because that means winds are going to be from the north and then later from the northeast. Not exactly a warm wind. So as a result, temperatures are pretty much going to average near normal for this time of year. Upper 40s to lower 50s for lows, upper 60s to lower 70s for highs, a few mid 70s in the urban areas, but overall, pretty much near normal for this time of year, with no strong anomalies, cold or warm, throughout the next 5 days. I will say this: humidity is going to remain low, so it's going to feel absolutely beautiful outside. And with high pressure and complete control, well, there really won't be much going on over the next 5 to 7 days. The major weather story for the next 7, including today, is a threat for a few showers, and that's about it. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.